Dad!
What?
Did you see that bird?
Where?
Look at it.
Billy?
Right there.
Is it in the grass?
Yeah. Come here. You should look at it.
Is he hurt?
No. I mean, yes. Can you come here? Quick.
All right.
Get him.
Oh yeah. Back up, back up, back up. Billy, back up. Philip. Back up.
Whoa. Get him, Dad. Dad, get him. He needs us. Dad, get him.
Well, I need to find out what it is first.
It's a bird. I know
Thanks.
it is.
Okay, back up.
It's a bird. It's leaving right into his feathers.
Back up.
No. Hurt.
Yeah.
Let's get him.
Hold on. Back up. All right, I need you to go inside
And do what?
and get me a hand towel.
No. If he's bloody, we might need it.
It's not bloody.
Okay, this is about a hurt bird that they say they found.
That's my blue jay.
Okay, where is the hurt bird? What do you think he is? What kind of bird is he? What kind of bird is he?
A blue jay. He's been wasting all his feathers.
Mm.
We need to get him to the vet.
Stop, Philly.
Do you see him?
Yep,
No.
he's stuck inside the retaining wall.
He's stuck?
Yeah, he wedged himself in there, so I'm gonna try and get him out.
Why did he wedge himself in there?
Well, because he thinks I'm trying to kill him to eat him or something.
Oh.
All right, hold that. Thing is, I don't want to hurt him.
Yeah, you don't want to hurt a hurt bird.
Yeah.
Come on.
He's already
Come on,
hurt.
guy.
It's too bad he's already hurt. We don't want to hurt him. I was the first one that told Daddy that I saw a bird. We've got him! Let's get him inside.
Aww. You see him?
Here he is. All right. Turn off the thing now.
Okay, how do you turn it off?
Press the red button.
Okay, here we are at the Woodpecker County SPCA with our injured bird.
Look at the hook that says welcome. Did you see that dog?
I'm not sure if this is our side. We called a little while ago. I'm not sure if we're on the right.
You gonna come flying out of there?
I'm not sure that he can fly.
Yeah, he's flying. I found him.
Is it an adult or baby?
He's in there.
Emily, you have a phone call. Emily, you have a phone call.
Oh, he's alive. He's
Oh, I
alive.
said it was a robin.
I thought it was, sorry.
It's a blue jay.
Oh, it's cute.
It's a
No,
blue
I
jay.
don't think it's a blue jay. Got a red, it looks like a woodpecker.
A woodpecker? Are you kidding?
Yeah.
What video taking? So what can be done for the woodpecker?
Not a whole lot. Alright, we've got somebody back there to let me look at it.
Can we go back there?
You can go back as far as the other door back there. You can't go.
Into the kennels?
You can go into the kennels. You just can't go back in the quarantine where she's about to go.
Oh, never mind.
Can we go?
Will she bring our towel back here?
Can we watch?
So we can't watch what she's about to do.
Probably not.
Can we look in the
That's a lot
kennels?
through quarantine where there's
We
some.
can't let us see.
Possibly rabbit animals or.
Well,
No
vicious
hands
pet
in
dogs
cages.
that
That
were
doesn't
holding.
mean That means we can't, but there are reasons we can't.
She has taken the woodpecker back to the quarantine area. Do you guys know what quarantine means?
No.
Do you remember in Tintin when a boat arrives and they think that the people on the boat are sick and they quarantine it?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
We have medicine shipped to it.
It means that the people on the boat aren't allowed to get off until they figure out what's the matter. So they've taken the woodpecker back to quarantine where they decide whether the animals are safe to be around people, whether they're sick or mean or something.
Our quarantine, we put dogs and cats that come into quarantine
Are you
so
listening?
that they're, in case they have rabies or kennel cough or something like that, or any other kind of illness, they won't give it to everybody else. They just stay there until we know what's wrong with them. Or if they're not suitable for adoption, but we have to hold them because they bite,
Are you listening?
then they have to stay there so that the public can't go in there and touch bad dogs.
Can we go in?
Can we
You
look in
guys
the
can walk
cages?
through the kennel, sure. You just walk straight through that door and they're lined up and they'll cut off and come back.